Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm gonna make a garlicky spinach dip. So let's get into it. It was so delicious, easy to make, and few ingredients. And so yep, so let's get into this recipe. These are my ingredients right here. I have lots and lots of garlic. That's like a bulb and a half of garlic. I'm actually gonna use coconut milk, which is what I have there. Cream cheese, my spice, which is Spicy Girl, and some spinach and my chips in the back. To my big old pot, I'm gonna add a half a stick of butter. Yeah, I know it sounds like a lot, but it is a lot of garlic, a lot of pepper, and a lot of spinach. So you're gonna add the garlic and the peppers and saute them together for about 3 to 4 minutes, but don't burn it. I'm using the medium heat around the 4 and 5 area on my stove, number 4 and 5. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon and a half of Spicy Girl, which is my spice, and will be available this coming Friday, the 28th of August, through my website. All links will be below. You then want to add the frozen spinach to the bag, and you want to saute it. It smells so good, you guys. The garlic with the butter and the peppers and the spice. You could eat this alone with some crackers. So then you want to add your cream cheese down in here, as well as your coconut milk or your preferred milk. Cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it looks like this. Basically, I did that so the cream cheese can soften some more, so I won't have to fight with it. As you can see here, it's just mixing effortlessly. So that's why I cover it and let it go like that. So I'm going to cover it again and let it cook another 3 minutes so everything can really combine. And then I'm going to add the cheese. Make sure you taste the salt and pepper and more seasoning, which I just did. This is the cheese that I'm going to use as well. Right here, I cut the stove off and then I started adding the cheese because you don't want to overcook that part. And look how good this looks, you guys. Look how good this looks, and it tastes amazing. So I'm using these little ramekins. You can put it into your own little pan or whatever you feel like using, but I wanted it to be cute and individual, so no double dipping, and we wouldn't have to share with each other. You know, in these days, we got to be careful. And now I'm just going to top it off with some more of the mozzarella Parmesan cheese. Pop it into a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until it comes out nice and bubbly and golden, just like this. This recipe is so easy, like I said. My spice is very delicious in here, and it also has a tiny bit of a kick, which is amazing. I didn't have to use anything else. And this is how it looks. It's so good, you guys, and cheesy and delicious. And I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, tag me, let me know what you think, okay? And make sure you guys check out my spices that are coming this Friday. Save the date. You don't want to miss it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, you guys.